To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The FIMM has reprimanded 2 former unit trust consultants for misconduct involving the submission of falsified academic certificates during their registration applications. Both individuals have been barred from registration for 1 year, effective the 5th of February 2026. The breaches were uncovered through internal and distributor-led checks, with the disciplinary committee taking into account various mitigating and aggravating factors. The Federation underscored that integrity remains a fundamental requirement in the registration process. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has approved new rules to allow mutual funds to enter into formal intraday borrowing arrangements with financial institutions. The move intends to bridge the intraday timing mismatch of inflow and outflow of funds. As per prevalent industry practice, primarily for liquid and overnight schemes, the redemption payouts to investors are processed in the morning hours of T+1 day, whereas the mutual fund schemes receive the maturity proceeds from TREPS, a short-term money market tool, and reverse repo in the evening hours of T+1 day. According to Priyanka Mahapatra, General Manager of Investment Management Department at SEBI, Mutual Funds, Regulations, 2026 will come into force from the 1st of April. Investing in a stock or coin by debt is actually like putting your life in the hands of luck. Retirement preparation should also focus on labor market viability rather than unreasonable investment strategies. Kim Kyung-rok, an advisor to Optus Asset Management, gave such advice in an interview with Mail Economy on the 16th regarding the recent investment craze. Global fund managers have been adjusting their portfolios in reaction to rising geopolitical unrest and a slowdown in economic growth. According to the Bank of America Global Fund Managers Survey, cash allocation rose sharply in March, the biggest jump since March 2020. Thailand's $88 billion pension fund urgently needs to reform governance and diversify its investments, 2 of the fund's executives told Reuters, after a recent sell-off triggered by the Middle East conflict raised a warning about massive loss risks. The country's largest state fund, managed by the Social Security Office, supports healthcare, unemployment benefits, and pensions of some 25 million Thais. "We are basically where Malaysian pension funds were 10 years ago," SSO board member Fantira Vergara said, adding that countries such as Japan, South Korea, and Malaysia have long implemented reforms that Thailand has yet to address. "We have the potential to be the next Malaysian or South Korean pension fund in Asia if we are able to fix our problems," she said, citing other countries' professionally managed, independent funds. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry. Watch the latest episode of Coffee Talk to find out about what is going on in the industry, exclusively on FIMM's official YouTube channel.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated, be sure to like, share and subscribe.